I just missed this amazing trade here. Come on, man. It was a first take percentage, second signature long fade the break on the upside because option steers in new extreme. Bottom of the range. Just perfect. I put my limit order. I should know by now that these usually just take off. Like, look at this. Should use a stop order instead. But I used a limit order. Didn't get filled. Just left me. Okay, I don't like how it's stalling. We might go break even here. Because I'm resuming the video because we might have the scalp after all. Okay, so we got stopped out. Um, I moved it up here because if it was losing trade, I would have reduced my risk just by a little bit. So I'm okay with that. We just got let's see. The reason see it would have been a bigger loss, but the reason I really like this trade, a higher low here, and if this bar would have triggered, it would have been so much better. But it didn't. But oh whoa, yeah, thank goodness I'm actually happy that I actually moved my stop loss here because look at this. This was so fast. Probably would have got slippage. So I'm actually pretty hype with that. Um, but the trade overall, it wasn't that bad of a trade. Now that I look at it, it looks like we have like maybe possibly something like this. I don't know. I just got to see. I'll play it back if I see something else. Okay, so I'm resuming the video because I took an engulfing of this bar here. First, I was in second too long. Failure.
Target filled. Target filled.
I don't know what that was, but perfect. I got the scalp. Um, it's like a trap. You see, I went for 1 point because I didn't like how it was kind of like stalling, so I went for 1 point instead of 2 points. So we got the scalp. You know, it was the first 6% second century long failure engulfing of this bullish bar, and it worked just for a 1 point scalp. So I'm resuming the video because we might have a possible trade here. I might even be thinking of doing a stop order first like for century. See how this bar finishes. Man, that bar finish not the best.
Order filled.
Okay, so we got filled. I'm gonna go for 8 points, 8 ticks here. Or should I go for 1 point? Yeah, 1 point.
Target filled.
Perfect. It was just scary because of this freaking bar ended so bad. But anyways, down to the new extreme. We have a 2 leg correction back to the EMA. Terrible bar. This bar is so sketchy, man. Yo, ES today has been a little bit hectic. Second entry short, but second entry short is so strong. It worked for 1 point, a little more than 1 point. It worked for 2 points, but you probably didn't even get scalped yet because usually it just bounces off your limit order. But man, that bar was so risky. I think I'm gonna call it after that trade. I feel like I'm over trading now. um, I mean, I'm only taking um 3 trade, no, 2 trades. Yeah, haven't taken 2 trades. I took this one a loss. This one 3 trades. 3 trades. That's maximum for me. I think I'm just gonna call it because I feel like I'm over trading. But you know, I'll still record rest of the chart. You know, just to see. You know, just I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just like ES right now is just kind of all over the place, but not all over the place. Just not many set. It's so choppy, and I think it's because of this week's news. Jerome Powell's gonna speak. So, but anyways, I'm gonna pause it here, and we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna take another trade, but I'm just gonna watch the chart because we gotta get the chart hours in. Practice makes you better. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna pause it here and resume it when I don't know. I'll resume it when probably when the day's over. All right, guys, it's about that time. Like I said, I wasn't gonna take no more trades. It's 3:13 right now. Uh, let's go review this today's price action. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay. Okay, so pre-market, yeah, we had an uptrend, blah blah blah, and then we had this second inch long here, but the reason I didn't like the second inch long is because the way it finished, and it was pretty early. It was 10 minutes after the market opened. Um, so I just didn't, I didn't really like it. And then then we pushed below the EMA. Oops. Something like that. Okay, so then we pushed below the EMA. There was no trade here, just choppy down. And then we had this uptrend. We had two legs instead of, because at first I had an uptrend, something like this, I believe. Something like this, which made me lose right here. No, right here. Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves, but I had it like this, okay? But it was just two legs, and then we traded into this like congestion. There was this downtrend, like overshot itself, and then it went to this congestion, but we have like a new high. First leg for entry, second entry long, fade to breakout. I like this trade. I missed. I didn't get my limit order in. I should have used a stop order, like I said earlier in the video. Okay, and then here I should have noticed that we were in a downtrend. Should have noticed, but I didn't. So it was like a fake out. It broke out, came back, and then pulled back, and it's like this is confirming that there is some bearish momentum here. So that was a good trade. And then here I took this higher low. I don't know why I took this higher low. Cause I thought this was done. See it breaking the low. We have first leg, first entry, second leg, second just short. I was waiting for the second short failure, the trigger. I should have waited for it, but you see I never triggered. I took the higher low. I got trapped. But what channel was I playing that made me play that like that? Anyways, yeah, I was on the wrong side of the market here. And then you can see this this nice lower high right after that. Beautiful. Beautiful. First leg for entry, second just short. Came back. Lower high confirming the second just short. Beautiful bar. Look at this. I was just on the wrong side of the market. There was this first leg, first entry, second leg, second entry short. You can't shorten these bars. Judge like this, break. Didn't make a high exactly, but then you get a lower high. But this lower high is quite big. See, it's 3.25 point. That's pretty huge. But context wise, great trade. And then I took this engulfing after I saw this rejection pretty hard. I pretty much assumed that you know we're in a pretty strong downtrend. Well, not strong, strong. Just we're in a downtrend, and so and I saw the second inch long that got. I took in golfing here. This bar just came down, just trapped all these buyers. So that's why I took it. It only went for scalp. I went for 4 ticks. 1 point. Only went for that. But yeah. I like the trade. Okay, then we traded. Then we traded into this congestion. I didn't like anything here. Nothing here. And then we took our pretty scary secondary short. But I liked it because it was a 2 leg correction to the EMA midline. It's just the way the bar finished was, not the best. But I worked for a scalp. It would have worked for 2 points as well. But I went for four. I went. Can I speak? I went for 1 point here. Got the scalp, but it would have worked for 2 points. It was just scary because the way bar finished. And then we decided to just push up choppy, upwards, and we kind of like a slight overshoot. You can maybe call it overshoot. And then just completely just fell, created a new low for the downtrend, just how we, just how we, or just how we knew it was gonna happen. And now we're pushing above to create a new nutrient for this uptrend. And at this point, it is 2:20. I mean 3:20 in the afternoon. We're gonna call it now. And today was not hard. It was just, like choppy. I was just not on my A game today. I was on the wrong side of the market. I really don't know why I took this. I think I pulled the trigger prematurely and got smoked. But anyways, wrap it up. This is today's price action. Have a great rest of your day, and I'm out.